Day 4. This was the final day of the International Waters Conference, EWC9. But wait, let us just reflect briefly on what happened the night before. It was the gala event. The day got down to business right away by introducing the need to adapt to the changing world of our oceans and coasts and freshwater basins.
Nature-based solutions are absolutely essential for sustainable economic development. And it's not about either green or grey, it's green and grey. And it's often the best blend of solutions that really solve a problem.
So the blue economy, is a huge potential for what we're doing in the international water strategy. We know that by 2030 it's expected that ocean-based economic activities are going to double. So this is great, but we can't go business as usual. That means more pressure to the ocean ecosystems. So we need to redefine the narrative behind what is the blue economy and make it really truly sustainable.
Some of that involves changing our behavior and using less. Some of it is going to involve capital investment across the globe, which is where financial institutions like the European Investment Bank come in.
Blue economy is a unique opportunity for moving the environmental agenda forward. We will be able to demonstrate that healthy ocean and healthy environment is a sine qua non condition for generating socio-economic benefits.
Again, participants had to put their minds together.
I think it's important to consider not only in this case the economic value, but also the environmental value as well as the social one.
How do we engage the local communities and people to support the blue economy implementation at a local community level?
The ideas kept flowing, and now participants led workshops on circular economy, nature-based solutions.
However, two parameters. If we reduce the amount of water, we decline both, and if we temperature increase, we accelerate the rate.
We want to select the best areas in terms of costs and in terms of connectivity to be included in the green and blue infrastructure.
This is my first time, GEF, and it has been a fantastic experience to hear all the projects that are around the world, how people have approaching different ways to address important challenges that we have.
Networking has been also very good, also to learn on how people in other areas of the world have integrated their TDAs and have integrated their SAPs. It has been a lot, and it was wonderful.
Especially my learnings on the blue economy, my learnings on the marine spatial planning, and lots of other things which I'm taking back home and would be discussing with my colleagues and our partners in the region.
I've been really intrigued to be able to meet people who are working in different river basins around the world and different marine ecosystems, and seeing the opportunities for exchange of lessons, and particularly around the development of these strategic action programs.
Then came the time to hand out prizes. We finally conclude with closing remarks by Chris Sevrin of the GEF International Waters portfolio.
But luckily, partnerships do not weigh anything. There's something we have here and here. And so please take those with you home. And I know there's been a lot of them. I've seen them happen, and that's really fantastic.
And Rachid Ferradi for the Moroccan government.
Je voudrais vous dire à cet effet, gardons cet esprit que nous avons consacré ici à Marrakech. Un esprit de collaboration, de partage et de solidarité pour continuer à œuvrer ensemble pour la durabilité des écosystèmes marins, d'eau douce et de contribuer ainsi à l'atteinte des objectifs de développement durable que nous nous sommes fixés ensemble dans le cadre de l'agenda 2030.
This IWA conference has shown that after 18 years, the portfolio is in really good shape and continues to be. Evaluations of previous conferences show and demonstrate that these meetings are helping to build partnerships across agencies, between projects from source to sea, to replicate each other's experience and improve the management of their individual projects. And I want to thank everybody who worked really hard to make this happen.
To all the agencies that came here, it's fantastic to see so many IW stakeholders. It's a real family gathering, but not only a family, because every time we have new people coming, new agencies, new partners, and that's absolutely great.
We have had a tremendous outcome. There's like 340 people meeting here, taking time out of their daily schedules that are packed with other things, to learn about each other's work and to be inspired. It has been one of the best experiences this year for me, and I really treasure this, and I'm looking forward to the next time we meet in Uruguay. Thank you so much.
There is no doubt that once again, with the help of all participants, the International Waters Projects Arena moved forward.
I'm Nasira Hayati, and I want warmly to thank you for coming to Morocco. The International Water Conference was a great success. Let's continue to work together to make our planet more sustainable.